What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat lags in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Snapchat app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your Snapchat. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then simply press and hold on Snapchat app and then click on uninstall. After uninstall your Snapchat, then install it again. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.